Are you a small business owner or an entrepreneur pondering your next big step? You might be asking yourself, should I form an S corporation? Before we address that important question in detail, please give this video a like, press the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you can stay in the loop about crucial information that can benefit your business. S corporations, often abbreviated as S Corp, are a unique type of corporation that draws its name from Subchapter S of the Internal Revenue Code. They combine the liability protection of a corporation with the tax benefits of a partnership. Now, you might be wondering, why form an S Corp? In fact, as of last year, there were around 4.6 million S corporations in the United States, which accounted for over 13% of all business tax returns filed. Clearly, many business owners see advantages. One of the main benefits of an S Corp is the potential for tax savings. Unlike traditional corporations or C Corp, S Corp do not pay federal income taxes. Instead, the company's profits and losses are passed through to the shareholders, who report this income on their personal tax returns. S Corp also offers something called limited liability protection, which shields the personal assets of the shareholders from the debts and liabilities of the corporation. According to a 2022 survey, more than 67% of small business owners were concerned about protecting their personal assets, making S Corp a popular choice. However, forming an S Corp isn't for everyone. S Corp come with certain restrictions, including a limit of 100 shareholders, all of whom must be U.S. citizens or residents. They also require more paperwork and administrative overhead compared to other business types like sole proprietorships or LLCs. Additionally, S Corp aren't necessarily the best tax choice for all businesses. While they do offer some potential tax advantages, these can be offset by the state taxes, since not all states recognize the pass-through taxation. The decision to form an S Corp can seem complex. It requires a careful examination of your business's unique circumstances, future growth plans, and your personal financial situation. To make an informed decision and set up an S Corp with ease, please visit legalregistration.com, or you can call our business formation team right now at 877-955-7111. Also, what do you think about the advantages of operating an S Corp? Do you think those benefits could help your business succeed? Leave your comment below and let us know what you think. Please also don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you can keep up with important business registration information.